So today, right now, I want to make tilapia. So I got the tilapia here. I got the tilapia. I think there are 4 of them, but I'm just making 2. Just me and one of my kids gonna eat it. And I have the ingredients. I have the black pepper. I have the, what is it, paprika. Where are you, paprika? Is there somewhere? I have the butter. Tilapia doesn't take much to make it tasty, and then I have the garlic. I'm gonna mix them all together. Let's pause the video. I don't want to make too long video, and I'll show you. Okay. I have this garlic crusher that I'm gonna use to crush the garlics. Okay. Believe me, I'm not a professional cook. I'm just making something for a snack. I'm not a professional cook. If you're gonna learn what I'm doing, that's fine. You can, I mean, it's tasty, but I don't know. So I'm gonna make like grooves in the fish like this, like make grooves so I can have the spices go in there. Not making a lot. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge while the butter is melting. Paprika, the melted butter. I'm doing this in my oven. No, I'm not using no outside grill, and I don't want the drippings to be dripping inside the oven. So I'm gonna place it like this, right? And have the fish go on here. I already greased this. I sprayed the cooking spray on this. Now I have everything mixed together. I have the paprika, the butter, melted butter, black pepper, ordinary pepper, and what have you. I mix them in here, and then I'm gonna start rubbing them, inside the grooves of the fish. It doesn't take much for tilapia to be tasty, I tell you. Meanwhile, the oven is preheating at 400 degrees, right? So I've rubbed the mixture, the butter, the everything, the concoction, all of them. I rub it all over the fish. Now I'm gonna put it on this here, and then I'm gonna go put it in the oven that's already preheated. It's going in the oven, so let's see. I think it takes 20, 15 minutes, 30 minutes to get done. I'll keep an eye on it. I don't know that. I will check the timing. You'll see the finished product when it's done. Okay, so after 5 minutes, oh, not 5 minutes, after 15-20 minutes, the snack is done. Let's go yumminalize this. It's done. It's done. It's very done. It's good. It's cooked very well. Yum, 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 yum.